All right, my career is in industrial production management. Myself, Joshua MacDonald. Now, what exactly is that? Business management can be pretty broad. This is more specific. It is only specific to a manufacturing facility. The overseer of all daily operations that coordinates, plans, and directs the production of goods. These goods can be anything from cars to paper. I will be focusing on transportation equipment manufacturing of heavy-duty truck parts. I'm currently employed at Weller Truck Parts. That is already a step in the right direction. Every career requires certain skill sets, and this one is no different. Industrial production managers require very strong interpersonal skills in order to communicate between managers and staff. It requires excellent leadership skills. They must motivate their employees to achieve maximum productivity. A happy worker is a productive worker. They must be able to identify problems as soon as they arise and deal with them immediately. They must precisely manage their employees' time efficiently to meet deadlines. The salary ranges depending on what field you're in. I will be looking into the transportation equipment manufacturing industry, which is at $104,740 a year. Michigan is actually one of the top states for that particular field. The job outlook. There's not really much projected to change at all through 2026. With automation and leaner production models, actual factory workers might take a hit as far as jobs go. But for managers, the outlook will not be decreased because they're the one that are going to be overseeing those changes. Education. Typically, industrial production managers have a bachelor's degree. Some start at the very bottom and work their way up, take management classes, and they can actually get there themselves. Some very large factories require a master's degree. My particular one, I probably could have just taken management classes and worked my way up, but with a bachelor's degree, it'll be a lot easier for me, and I will be able to transfer over to Davenport University's program of industrial production management directly after I take some classes here at CC. All right, the good. It's in my field of interest. I have prior knowledge of diesel truck parts. I was a mechanic in the Marine Corps, so I have a lot of experience as far as that goes that a lot of guys wouldn't really have. A lot of managers come in not knowing the product, they just know logistics. I will be able to know both. This job will be able to provide for my family, and my current position at Weller Truck Parts is already on the right path to become where I need to. The bad. Stress is the main one. You've got a lot going on. Just plain and simple. What did I discover? To my surprise, the career coach lined me up with 100% on manufacturing, so that was pretty reassuring. The job will be in line with my core values. I like to pride myself on my honor and integrity, and this job will really emphasize on that. It will definitely require me to strengthen my skill sets as far as communication and leadership skills go, and I will continue to work on that. My reaction to it? Absolutely, I'm ready for it. What's next? Stay the course, stay where I'm at as far as Weller Truck Parts goes, continue my education, and I will get where I need to be. This is just a nice quote by John Bon Jovi. You just stay the course and do what it is that you do and grow while you're doing it. Eventually it will either come full circle or at least you'll go to bed at night happy. And these are my sources. Thank you for your time.